So I have this one broken video. It got corrupted when I was recording and the battery died. And I'm gonna use this app called MP4Fix video repair tool. Okay, I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna add the broken video. This one. And press repair. Okay, almost finished. Okay, I'm gonna press preview. Yep, that's exactly it, the video that broke. Okay, I'm gonna press back. Yes, it's fixed. I'll rate it later. Okay, after I save it. Okay, it says save. Whoops. Okay, it says save. I just have to go to the phone storage and to DCIM, and there it is. Yep, this one. Yeah, this one. This app did a great job. So let's leave a 5-star. It does what it say. Whoop. And press pause. Post. Whoops. My internet is down. I'm gonna have to move spot. Okay, 5 stars. They're doing a great job.